here's the tunnel, guys. We'll go for a little walk. You know, I do all these on my breaks, eh?
Roger, I'll be back to you on the south right up here before I come back.
And as you see, it's a lot different than the transport. Right? Joys of the new ones. To open a gate now, right guys? It's left side's open, right side's closed. That's the vibrators right there. Right? Right? That's the feed up there. That's a hopper. I'll show you when we go up. There we go. Cargo gets fed, right? The hopper here, both sides over there. It's up under loop belt. And then up it goes. Up the loop belt, onto the boom belt, and off she goes, folks. Well, like I said, just rollers and stuff, right? Rollers and belts. So that's a little bit of the tunnel and some of the belts.